there you
So,
go.
so
There you go.
yeah.
So you're consulting. Can you run by a day of consulting for me real quick? Like what kinds of stuff are you doing?
It depends what it is. Okay,
Okay.
so like this week I had let's go like last week I worked at the IBIE baking show in Vegas and
Yep.
I had mentioned before with Leaven. Uh and Leaven had hired me to make pizza, throughout the show for 4 days using the instant sourdough product and demonstrating it. And of course, as people ask about it, tell them about it as well. And it is an amazing product. Another plug out there, but
All right.
it's a winner. I mean, I used it like I would use my yeast, like a dry yeast, and it when it activates, Albert, and I made it poolish, pre-ferment, all that. Uh, it's sourdough, so I mean, the flavor of the dough is fantastic. They really, it's just amazing. So I mean, yeah, for those 4 days. So I went in a couple of days before, actually, day before, we made dough at John Arena's one of his
Oh, good deal.
locations.
Yeah.
Yes. So we he was gracious enough to let us prep in one of his kitchens at one of his metro pizzerias. So I go make dough, finish my prep, and then the show was the following day, actually. So and that's actually easy in a way because I don't always get to make pizza like that.
Yeah.
And it's so much fun now too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's always been, man. I was one of those people who'd be like, "Are you sure?" It's like, oh, I love the action. Friday night, I mean, the busy nights, it was game time, and it was just you get your adrenaline flowing, and good day's work. The drive home is always it feels good. It feels good when you
So
get
yeah.
that feeling of accomplishment.
So
So
it becomes like a dance. I mean, doing all the
yeah,
different
it
moves
really is.
and getting into it. That's just fantastic. Hey Lee,
And
let me ask you, who are some of your pizza influencers? You mentioned that John Arena, of course, one of the oh man, the guy's got so much heart.
He
I
does.
can't
I
say
I
enough
love
about him.
hearing John's stories. I mean, I only met John a few years ago too, so uh, he is influential on me. There's no question about it. I love hearing what he does. But the guys the people that like I admire the guys that maybe aren't at Pizza Expo as much. Guys from back home that took the time to teach me the right way, or they're still doing the same thing, that they did years ago. And there's a certain level of, I mean, you talk about commitment and humility, and these are family men, and like that. I mean, those are the guys that are idols to me, the ones
Okay.
that are able to help and help everybody else and do all of that, uh, and still hold things down on the home front as well. And those are my idols as well. Yeah, I mean,
They're
a lot in the industry, guys that I watch and pay attention to in the industry are guys like Tony Troiano at JB Alberto's in Chicago. Uh, Joe's just a true gentleman, one of the
he
nicest
is.
guys you've ever met. I mean,
And a
has an
guitarist.
iconic
Yeah.
and he's a rock star. What do
He's
you
a
mean
rock star.
guitarist? He
A
really
rock
is.
star.
And like,
Yeah. Well,
I, I
and a
could talk to
wonderful guy.
Tony after
Just
I haven't talked to him in a month, and it's just when I think about it, like I'm so grateful that God introduced me to a guy like that. I can go on and on and on,
sure.
about whether
Sure.
they're WPC team members or just people I met at Pizza Expo, and I think that's a big thing for everybody when we go every year. It's like a family reunion, and I
Yeah.
can't wait even the day before where I'm prepping and to see people and who are doing the same thing as us, maybe in a different capacity, but all around pizza and you know the whole collaborating with them and
Yeah.
looking
And
at how can we help each other is the big one.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. I've said it many, many times. The pizza industry really is like no other industry. And there's a real brotherhood there. And I have to say, a lot about the pizza industry itself and those in it, it's about relationships. And you develop these very strong bonds. It's a pizza
Hmm.
brotherhood, really.
Yes,
So,
agreed. Agreed.
okay.
On so many levels. Yeah, so many
Yeah.
levels.
Yeah. Okay.
To 4 days in a row. Yeah, it's a lot of
Yeah.
fun. It
Yeah,
really
that's
is.
great.
Being able to
L-
give back and make stuff and people asking questions and I know the answers to them. And it
Yep.
hasn't always
Yep.
been that way.
No,
So
no. And
it has.
again, having spoken to you a number of times, you're very forthcoming. You're very willing to help out. You're willing to jump in there. And I want to,
I love, yeah. I do a lot of teaching nowadays. There are a lot of people that might message, ask a question about a recipe, and I tell everybody now, it's like, yeah, I'll answer random strangers. Like I said, there was a time where nobody wanted to talk to me. Now then people want to talk to me like yourself.
or,
I say that tongue in cheek in a way, but
yeah,
like, yes, I love sharing. I'm going to help you get there, even if you're not my client that hires me. I'm
sure,
going to help. I
sure,
always help. Uh,
sure.
I always do.
Yeah. Well,
Try
Leith,
to.
I want to thank you very much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. Um,
Thank
how can
you,
people,
Albert.
yeah, you're very welcome, man. It's so honored to speak with you. One of the true uh pizza masters. And your story's a great one. I just love your entire story. Um, how could people contact you um get into your consulting or
Yeah, thank
where,
you.
you know,
Uh, Lee Hunzinger at 33 at yahoo.com. Here's my email. Pizza Lee 33 on Instagram.
okay.
That type of deal. I don't know if I should put my phone number out there,
Don't
but
put your phone number.
631-504-2481. I'm pretty easy to get a hold of. I didn't
Okay.
get a pizzalead.com. I should probably get that
You
email
should.
next, but
Yeah.
yeah, it
Yeah.
would be a little easier. Just
I'll
pizzalead.com.
put I'll
But
put your email so people can contact you.
yeah, and it's one of those things. There are certain things that I'm like, hey, I should have done that in the beginning, but more importantly,
Now
still have some work coming in. So
your reputation precedes you, Leah. You know, at this
thank you.
point, you don't have to,
I'm a
and
lucky
people
guy.
know who
I'm
you
a
are.
lucky
Yeah,
guy in that I have a lot of friends and I've always had a lot of friends, or I try to, right? And life's better with friends. There really is. And yeah, I mean, the opportunity to get back what I've taught, what I've learned through the years through teaching and classes and things like that. I'm finding that more rewarding. At the end of the day, just making pizza and sharing
yep,
is that's where I find my
perfect,
gratitude or
perfect.
the reward.
Well, Lee, thank you very much. I want to appreciate you spending time with me, and I hope to hang out with you again sometime real soon.
Yeah, for certain. Will you be
Okay.
attending the Columbus show?
I don't think so. No,
I imagine
no.
it's a
But I'll
long way
put
to
up
go
again.
for
I'll
two
put a
days.
link up down below for that.
Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot, Lee.
Thank you, Albert.
Okay.
All right.